Tax time is right around the corner, and that means you only have a few more weeks to apply for the homeowners tax credits. If you're thinking about buying a new home, Fox 10 News reporter Cherish Lombard tells you how easy it is to get some money back.
The government wants to pay you for helping the housing market, whether you're buying your first home or your second or third. I'm going to tell you about 3 different ways to get that government money. If you're looking to purchase your first house, you could qualify for an $8,000 tax credit.
If you buy your house, close on your house by April 30th of 2010. If you enter into a binding contract by April 30th of 2010 and you close on it by June 30th of 2010, you will still qualify for it.
That $8,000 is free money.
You close on your house, you bring your closing papers into your tax professional, and you file a tax return. It's just an $8,000 check, basically, that gets refunded back to you. It's a refundable credit.
If you already own a house and you sell it and buy another one before the April deadline, you qualify for a $6,500 tax credit.
If they purchase a new house within the same time limits of the other credits, and if they owned and lived in a main home for 5 years, then they can still qualify to get the long-time credit.
If you bought your first house in 2008, you could amend your tax return by April of next year and get $7,500. However, it has to be paid back.
You have to start paying back in 2010. When you file your 2010 tax return, you will start paying that back at $500 a year.
To qualify, single taxpayers cannot make more than $125,000 a year. Your new home has to be your main residence. You cannot rent it out, and you have to live in the house for at least 3 years. Reporting in Mobile, Cherish Lombard, Fox 10 News.
Mary Adams from ABS Tax says when you visit your local tax office, take all of your closing paperwork. If you are planning to apply for the $6,500 tax credit, you will need to have proof that you lived in your current residence for the past 5 years.